So I placed some apples here on this fallen tree. I've got 4 of them on here right now. Different heights, different levels. I also have a camera hiding right over here. And I've got another one right here. Just facing those apples, and you can see those apples here in the footage. So one camera over there on that little tree right there, and the other one right here. So we're gonna come back tomorrow and see if anything picked up these apples, and if they did, if something did, then hopefully we'll capture it on these cameras. So we will see.